Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to find how much RAM installed on a computer, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to find how much RAM is installed on a computer, Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First click on Start. Now click on Setting. After click on System. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, sir. Salam. After click on About. Here, installed RAM. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to find how much RAM is installed a computer, Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.